Hello everyone, this is my tutorial on, what is this game called again? Okay, well basically, I was playing with my friend on this game, and like, I accidentally did this glitch, to get into the backrooms area, and it was like, oh my god, I've never been to the backrooms! So yeah, this is a tutorial explaining how. So the way I have done it was I ran at this gravestone, and I unragdolled right there, so I would clip underneath, and if you do this enough times, you might be able to get up in and be able to go through, but it takes a while sometimes. And if you ever get stuck while trying to do this, just spam R, and you most certainly will get out. And then sometimes you can also get stuck in the other side. But eventually, after doing that enough times, you should be able to land in the backrooms with all of its funds. And also, people accidentally clipping in by just spamming all the time. So yeah, so that is the end of the video. I will see you guys next upload, but I hope you enjoyed it.